So I used to go out with a girl over here. That's another story in itself.
What's the story?
She didn't like me.
What happened?
I don't know. I'm here. She's there. I haven't seen her in about 20 years. So I guess that things didn't work out.
Let's stop by.
No, I don't even know if she's dead or alive.
Uncle Ron, Uncle Ron, Uncle Ron picks of the week.
Green Bay begins their quest to win the division against a depleted Minnesota team with no offense. Green Bay in a rout over Minnesota, take Chicago over Seattle. The Giants will not take this game lightly. Take the Giants over Washington. Give me San Diego in the upset over the Bengals. That's what I should really do. I should teach driving, I think. That'd be a good second career for me. That's what I think I'm going to do when I retire. I'm going to go work for a driving school and teach kids how to get their driver's license Uncle Ron's way. Not the conventional way, Uncle Ron's way. See, now we're proceeding to a stop sign. Not a stop sign. You're supposed to stop, full, but I don't do that. And we'll proceed slowly because it's a red light, so put your foot on the brake pedal very, very gently.
I think the audience knows how to drive.
Some people don't. It says sign, no turn on red, so we didn't do it. We follow the law 100%. I hate these people pulling out like that. And that irritates me like that. Why is this guy pulled out like that?
Why, what do you mean?
He should wait until he pulls out like that. He's half cocked, half in. Look, he almost hit that little car right there, that little Toyota. Oh, look at this guy. Now that was uncalled for. Uncalled for to pull out like that. That irritates me.
No good?
No. Get yourself a nice calzone and tell them you want it with eggplant.
You just turned on red.
No, I was through the light.
No, you turned on red.
Listen, you just run the...
There was a sign.
Good. Run the camera, okay? Let me drive. Uncle Ron knows how to drive.
You made a mistake.
Okay, I think there's a great Italian store over here somewhere. I think I missed the freaking turn. Let me beep him across the street. A nice old Italian guy, you could tell. Have a nice day. Ciao, Goomba. Arrivederci. Good Italian guy. Guy almost tripped in a manhole. He almost went down with those, what do you call them things, drains? He almost fell down. Can you imagine if the guy fell down? Wow, I'd be really responsible for that. I'd feel guilty.